Hey guys, welcome back to our channel, Those Bros Travel Adventures. And today we're gonna show you one thing that if you're a creator, it can be really tough. And it's when you get a copyright strike. But don't worry, in this video, we're gonna show you how to get rid of that copyright strike in just a few steps. So keep your monetization of your hard work that you did on your video.
Alright guys, let's go do this, and remember that we are Dos Bros family who make travel videos and give you the best tips and show you amazing places for your next vacation in California and other parts of the world. So if you're new here, don't forget to like, subscribe to not miss any future adventures.
And check this out guys, we are not sponsoring or being sponsored by Creator Mix, but if you want to use music that will never get a copyright strike, check out creatormix.com. We have used this website for a couple of years now and we never had a problem with this one. And it was also recommended and created by our friend Nick, a YouTube creator that has helped us a lot in our YouTube experience. He does informative videos for YouTube creators. You should check it out, especially if you are new to YouTube. Alright guys, so let's show you how to do this if you get a copyright strike in one of your videos. If you one day are checking in your YouTube studio, that's the best place to check. Sometimes you will get an email or message, and but if not, you check out in YouTube studio, and if you realize that you have a video that says copyright or share it monetization, which is not that great either, you can always check on it and see what the reason of it was. It could be for a series of reasons. Either you use music, video, or something that someone is claiming that owns the copyright of that. And in our case this time is that they want to share the revenue of our video monetization because we use music that are claiming is copyrighted. We use music from blog not copyright YouTube page that we normally use, and it's been very good throughout the years. We almost never had a problem except for this time. We have gotten a copyright strike, but like if you go into the video description, it says that you can claim the copyright issue if you get one, and they will release the copyright. And normally they will release the copyright and give us the full monetization for our video, but this time it didn't, from a song from Nautilus, Tropic song. And so we did make the claim, but they still denied the claim. So we are gonna take the song away and we're gonna show you how to do it. Because even though we did what it says on the channel, that on the video description you should copy and paste the credit to your video in your video description, that way you don't get a copyright. Even though we did that, we still got it. So we're just gonna take that off, and it's really easy in just a few steps, because as you can see, even though it says it's a not copyright music, we still got it. So that's not good, and we're just gonna take it off. The good thing about this new free tool from YouTube is that it will not take your let's say in this case my voice from the video. It will just leave everything except for that music. The first thing you need to do in your YouTube studio is go through your videos and find the video that has the copyright strike and see details. And here they will tell you what happened. And so here's the song, right? Tropic from Nautilus. And it tells you in what section of your video you're getting that copyright claim. It can be for a number of reasons. Like us, it was the song and that they want to share our revenue. But they can also block your video to be shown in certain countries, or block it in all countries. So the first thing you should do is check your video, play it, and see the section that it is having the claim, and check it out, because it could be for a number of reasons, like I said before. And if you think that your video falls in the fair use that YouTube has, you can claim it, which we did and got rejected, as you can see right here. And if you get rejected, you will get a notification, and it will show it right here. See where it says dispute rejected. Now this is the process that you have to do next in order to take this song off so you can get full monetization of your video. And right next to it, you will find this other button that says select action. So you will click that, and it has a couple of different options that you can take, like erase the song, where you can just erase the song through the whole video, which is what we're gonna do. You can replace the song with one of the YouTube songs that they have in their studio if you still want to keep music on it. Another option is you can actually trim that segment of the video if you want to take that part off. If you don't think it's needed, you can also do that. But we're gonna do the erase song. And this is how you do it. Click on the erase song and it will take you to your video, and it will show you where the song is at. And in this case, it went through a whole video, but we're just gonna take it off. It doesn't really matter. All the information is still gonna be there, so you don't have to worry about losing any other information. Just click on the erase song and it will take a few minutes to do this. So you can go back to YouTube Studio, work in another video, and it will just do it, and it will let you know as soon as it's done. Once it's done, when you come back to YouTube Studio, it will tell you that your monetization is now full and the music has been taken apart from your video.
So now we're going to wait a minute and show you how it works after the process is done. Meanwhile, if this video has been of any help to you, again, another way to support us is by liking and subscribing to our channel, so YouTube can show this video to other content creators that might need this kind of help. And if you think that other content creators need this kind of info, leave us a comment saying massive info, and YouTube would recognize this video as informative.
That's right, guys, so check it out. We're coming back in YouTube Studio to our video, and we're checking to see if we have any restrictions, and look what it says. It says we have none restrictions, no copyright and no share monetization. And sometimes you can get the copyright strike like months later after you've done your video. In this case, we did this video in December 2023, and we just got the copyright strike just a few days ago. So now what we need to do is just go into our video and take the copy and paste for the credit that we have given to that song, because it didn't work. It has worked for us like many years, but this specific song didn't work. So we're just gonna take it off. I'm gonna take the information from our video, and voila! Once you do this, you will have full monetization again in your video. And if this information saves you money and you think it's a great info, you can always just leave us a comment. And there's other ways in the video description if you want to help our channel, or with the super things that you see down below.
And that way you can help the bros make more videos like this. And before you leave, make sure to check out this video
where we show you how to use the green screen for your YouTube videos, and also what the best time is to post. Alright guys, hope you guys enjoy this video.
Dos Bros, we out.
Bye bye, brothers. See you next video.